Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick Dollar General haul to share with you. I found some really fun finds today. I had a comment on one of my other videos saying that had I seen the new LaColors at the Dollar General. I hadn't, so we took a trip there and I bought a couple extra things as well. I also got the Chloroline Platinum Splash Free Total Control. This is a bleach liquid gel. Pick that up. I got Connor some of these icy bath bombs in cherry. He loves bath bombs. And I did find the new LaColors. First off, this there was several new items to my store, and this was one of them. This is a Dollar General exclusive kind of item, and I'm assuming maybe some of these other items are as well. But the LaColors Biggie Lash, and this is a lash lengthening brush with, and it's a tubing mascara. So I was just kind of intrigued. I love the packaging. I'm not the biggest fan of mascaras from LaColors, but sometimes these bigger ones do work out for me. So I'm going to try that out. I picked up the only three gel eyeliners they had at my store, and I picked all three of them up. And this one, also I know it's a bit noisy, you can hear the air conditioner as well, but it's hot. Midnight Black, just a black eyeliner. I also picked this up in Enchanted, bright purple. And the last one I picked up eyeliner wise is Wonder, and it's in a minty. These were $2 each. The mascara was $4, and I did find all three LaColors eyeshadow palettes. These are 9 pans, and they were $2.50 each, and I picked up the Berry Kiss, Peach Fizz, and Lemon Drop. And Peach Fizz and Lemon Drop are definitely the two that I was most excited for. And Berry Kiss was a bonus. So there will be looks coming using these palettes. We'll probably do a swatch video as well if anyone's interested. And stay tuned for those videos. I hope you enjoyed the quick little haul. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. Stay tuned for tutorials and swatches.